Welcome, fam. If your neck feels tight and your shoulders are already climbing towards your ears, this is your reset. In the next 5 minutes, we'll melt tension, release pressure, and give your upper body the breathing space it's been craving. Let's hit the mat. Start by standing or sitting tall. Gently drop your chin to your chest, then roll your head to the right, back, left, and forward. Keep it slow and smooth. Let your breath guide the movement. I promise this one move alone can reduce the pressure that builds in your shoulders, behind your eyes, and even in your jaw. Beginners keep the circle small. Advanced stretches slow it down even more. Feel every angle. Did you know that your neck holds more tension than your glutes? Surprised? Well, reverse directions. 5 more seconds this way. Can you feel which side is tighter? Now that your neck is moving, let's start releasing the deeper tension. Bring your right arm across your chest. Use your left hand to gently pull it closer. Keep your shoulders down and relaxed. This is about creating range of motion, not force. I promise this helps restore shoulder control and reduce tightness from typing, texting, or even just tension. Most shoulder injuries don't start at the gym. They start at your desk. 5 more seconds. Breathe through it. Feel it pulling in the back of your shoulder? That's the release you've been needing. Let's even it out. Other side. Same thing on the left side. Notice if one shoulder feels tighter than the other. There's always a story there. Use that awareness today. Beginners, keep the pull light. Advanced stretches, add a slight twist off your torso to deepen the stretch. 5 more seconds. Hold strong. Did your shoulder just drop a little? That's your body letting go. Now that we've unlocked the shoulders, it's time to open up the heart. Clasp your hands behind your back or interlace your fingers at the lower back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together and lift the chest. You can also grab a towel strap, open, expand, shine forward. I promise this resets your posture and helps reverse the shrinking effect of stress, scrolling, and slouching. Beginners, stay standing and keep the arms low. Advanced stretches, add a forward fold for an intense upper body release. Your lungs expand more when your chest is open. This affects energy, clarity, and even digestion. Go 5 more seconds. Lift your heart. Can you feel how different your posture is already? One last move to finish strong. Let's stretch the side body. Stand tall, reach your right arm overhead, lean to the left. Feel the stretch all the way through your ribs. Then switch sides. This is about space, breathing room, length. It will bring it all together. I promise this will help with shoulder tension and spinal alignment. Keep both feet grounded. Add a slight twist as you bend. This move can relieve pressure from your lower back too. Yep, they're connected. The last challenge. Go 1 inch further. Can you feel your rib cage expanding more on one side? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.